Okay. Can somebody read number 4 for us? Just reading it. Diction, thank you.
Skater was skating towards the bench. After 10 seconds of skating, he was 15 meters from the bench. And after 16 seconds, he was 4.5 meters from the bench. Assuming he was skating at a constant rate, how fast was he?
Thank you very much. Okay. Okay, so I gave you 4 numbers right here. What do you think I'm going to use those? How should I rewrite those numbers? So 10 seconds, 15 meters. I can rewrite this as a coordinate. So this, I can write this as 10 and 15. Okay, what about this? Yeah, these are the 2 numbers. I can write it as 16 and 4.5. What do you think I should do with these 2 coordinates? Formula, find a slope, right? Whenever I ask for like constant rate, how fast, aka slope, right? That's what it's looking. That's what it's asking you. Okay. So whenever I ask you for speed, the rate, it's just simply slope. Okay. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Call this x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay. So y2, what's y2? Kira? Good. Y1? Perfect. X2? And then finally x1. Perfect. Okay. So 4.5 minus 15. 4.5 minus 15, negative 10.5. 6. Since I have decimal and a fraction, we don't like decimals and fractions. We can simply just divide it out. You get negative 1.75. What's my unit? Pedro? Meters per second. Good. Okay, but can we have negative speed? Negative speed doesn't make sense. From 215. Yes, she is. Yeah. Sure. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Yeah. So you can take care. Feel better. Okay. So as we were saying, we can't have negative speed. Doesn't make sense. So why do you think this? Why do we get negative? How should we write our therefore statement? Yeah.
Therefore, his constant rate of speed was 1.75 meters per second as he was approaching the bench.
Exactly. That negative was telling you the direction. So just go to the office first to tell the office that you're going now. Okay, yeah, so that's exactly it. This negative here doesn't mean negative speed because it doesn't make sense, but it was telling you the direction. Okay, so he was going towards the bench. So therefore, his speed was 1.75 meters per second towards the bench. Okay. Okay, good. Sorry, here, I'll leave this up. So you can see Fridays, it was just the basic stuff with slope. Now we're building on. Slope does get a little bit more tricky, but with some practice, it will all make sense. But you do need practice. So please try these questions now. You have a good 30 minutes before the end of class to get a head start on this. Anything not done is homework. Where can you find this homework? Go to Brightspace. Brightspace. Content. And then we are on chapter 6. Chapter 6. Let's see. Chapter 6, slope 2. Right here. Okay, so you can see this is the handout that we just did right now. And then right here is starting on page 3. So starting on page 3, there's the questions and there's the answers. So when I do homework check tomorrow, okay, I don't want to see just these answers because I'll know that you just copied from my answers. Okay, I want to see steps. I want to see you show your work. Okay, so right here, slope 2, chapter 6, slope 2. Yes, we are on chapter 6 already, and that's because it's in the middle of November. So after chapter 6, we have 7, 8, 9, and 10. So 4 more chapters, 4.5 chapters. Okay. So slope 2. Let's get working.